Jai Hind everybody, welcome to Saraswati Shishikun Jhotwala Bosal. We are back, we have another video in subject grammar. Right, now today's topic is very interesting. Now, why is it interesting? Let's see. I am speaking some sentences, right? There is a cow. The cow is black. The cow has 4 legs. The cow has a tail. The color of the cow is black. Now this is 4 to 5 sentences I have spoken. What I did in these sentences, for what I am talking about. There is a cow. The cow has 4 legs. The cow has a tail. The color of the cow is black. Right? What happened? I am here talking about the cow. But the thing is that I am repeating the same noun, the cow, again and again in each and every sentences. Right? Each and every sentence I am repeating the same noun. There is a cow, the cow has 4 legs, the cow has a tail. Right? So sometimes it is very irritative to listen the same word again and again. Right? So to avoid the repetition of the noun, we have something in grammar. Right? What we are calling it? We are calling it pronoun. We are calling it pronoun. Right? So today's our topic is pronoun. So our chapter number 10, that is pronouns. Right? Now, as I have given or have spoken some sentences about the pronouns, means I have spoken some sentences, but still I have not used pronoun. So before I use the pronoun, let's see the definition. What are pronouns? Simple. What are pronouns? So, the answer is pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns. Right? This is the definition. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns. Right? Let me give you an example. Hitesh is my brother. Hitesh is my brother. Hitesh is a very good cricket player. Okay? Hitesh plays football too. Now, see, Hitesh is my brother. Okay? Hitesh is a very good cricket player. Hitesh plays football too. Right? Now, as you can see here, the first sentence. Hitesh is my brother. That is absolutely correct. Right? But see the second sentence. Hitesh is a very good cricket player. Again, I am using the proper noun Hitesh in the second sentence. Right? Hitesh plays football too. Again, in the third sentence, I have used the proper noun Hitesh third time. Right? So irritative sometimes to repeat the same noun. So instead of it is, I will use the pronoun for him. Right? So instead of it is, I will write he. Right? He is a very good cricket player. Again, it is place. So again, I will use for it is he. Right? It is my brother. Cancel. He is a very good player. Cancel. He plays football too. Right? So it is easy to speak and even it is good to listen, but without the same noun. So this is one example. Right? It is my brother. He is a good cricket player. He plays football too. Right? Now let's see some of the pronouns that we are going to learn. Which pronouns are there? So, I, you, he, she, it, then me, then him, then her, plural form of I, we, then another pronoun that is us, plural form of he, she, him, it, that is they, and them. Right? So all these are pronouns. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, and them. Right? Now we are going to learn about the types of. First of all, how many pronouns are there? So there are, means here we are going to learn the two types of pronouns. That is personal pronoun and the second one is possessive pronoun. Right? But before that, we must understand that how many kind of persons are there. Right? It is not that kind of people we are talking about, but in grammar, there are three types of person. First person, second person, and third person. Right? Now, what are they that we will learn? Okay, now, as we have discussed, there are two types of pronouns we are going to learn today, that is personal pronoun and possessive pronouns. Right? Now, let's begin with our personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. First of all, it is important to know, it is important to understand that there are three kinds of personal pronouns. Right? Now, which are they? So that is first person, second person, and third person. Right? Personal pronouns are three kinds. First person, second person, and third person. Now up to here that we have understood. First, that is what are pronouns. Right? They are words we are using instead of nouns. Right? Pronouns have two types. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns. So first we are going to learn about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are three kinds of, right? There are three kinds of personal pronouns. First person, second person, and third person. So now let's see the definition. are used instead of nouns of. Personal pronouns are used instead of personal pronouns are used instead of nouns of nouns of what? Nouns of persons, and things. Right? Personal pronouns are used instead of nouns of persons and things. Okay, personal pronouns. Again, let's see. Pronouns that are used instead of names of persons and things are called personal pronouns. Now, as we have seen, three kinds of personal pronouns are there. First, we are going to learn about the first person. First person. Now, what is first person? First person means the one who is speaking. Right now, I am speaking, so I will be the first person. Right. So the first person means the one who is speaking. Now, which pronouns are there in first person? So there are I, me, we, us. I, me, we, us. I am a teacher. Give me a notebook. We are playing in the garden. Please bring us to the hospital. Right? I am a teacher. Give me a notebook. We are playing in the garden. Please bring us to the hospital. So that is first person. Then second person. Now, first person, the one who is speaking. So naturally, the second person means the one who is listening. Right? The one who is listening. So in second person, the pronoun is you. Now, you is used for both singular form as well as for plural form. Right? For example, you are a student. You are a student. Reena and Meena, you go to the principal ma'am's office. Reena and Meena. Now see, I have used plural. Reena and Meena, you please go to the principal ma'am's office. Right? So that is the second person. And the last one is, that is third person. Third person. This is that. Now, what is third person? Means the one who is speaking, that is first. The one who is listening, that is second. Now, other remains. That is the third person. Right? So, pronouns. Now, which pronouns are there in third person? So, he, him, she, her, it, they, and them. Remember this. He, him, she, her, it, they, them. Right? These are third person. He is a teacher or he is a doctor. Him. Bring him here. Bring him here. She is an engineer. She is an engineer. Her. Please give this book to her. Give this book to her. It. Now, there is a parrot. It speaks like a human. There is a parrot. It speaks like a human. They. Now, they are playing in the garden. They are. Now, they is the plural form of he, she, and it. They are playing in the garden. Them. Please call them here right now. Please call them here right now. So this is the third person. So personal pronouns that are used instead of names of persons and things, and it has three kinds, that is first person, second person and third person. First person, that is the speaker, second person, that is the listener, and the third person, that is another one. It can be male, female or any non-living thing or animal. Right. So here I have considered the personal pronoun. Right. I hope you have understood the personal pronoun. In our next video, we will take the second type of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Thank you.